swarm trap number 4. We got another swarm in it. This is swarm number 3 for this trap. 0 for 1, 2, and 3. For whatever reason, they like this one a lot. Maybe location, maybe what's in it, I'm not sure. But we lost one hive, or one swarm, because we were in a big hurry. I'm going to take my time with this one, be a little more patient. Well, of course, we didn't have a queen excluder on the other one. Queen excluders are a great thing, I guess, but I think it also kills some of the bees. They try to get in and out and hurt themselves doing so. And this one here, I haven't. I used one of these before, and I saw 3 bees come out of it, and each one of them fell to the ground afterwards. So I haven't used a queen excluder part of this on it again. And probably just wait and just give them a couple days and let them get well established. There was a big ball of bees on this thing yesterday. And after they get good and established, then we'll probably move them back over to the house and put them in a regular hive box, transfer it over. It's got frames in it, should be an easy transfer over. So, and then put queen excluders on the bee box itself. Again, in 6 weeks, 3 swarms trapped in this bee trap. I have 4 of them out, and this one's been the most successful. Well, the only one that's had any success is this one. Again, like I said, I don't know if it's location. I have no idea what the bees find so attractive about this one versus the others. We're using the same bait and then traps as the others. So I don't think that that's the difference. It just may be the location. But whatever, it works. Thanks again for watching my video. There'll be updates on this one in probably 3 to 4 days. We're going to move this one back to the house and put it in a bee box and try to see the queen in it. Make sure she's in there when we do. And thanks for watching my video. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you.